Listen, cloud troubleshooting is hard. The CSPs don't give you the tools that you need, maybe region to region, but what about your multi-cloud? Forget about it. Can't see anything. Cloud ain't going nowhere. You're one outage away from spending an entire weekend with your favorite cloud guy, Craig, who says, guess what? It's never the cloud. It's time to prove Craig wrong with Forward Enterprise. Craig just asked me to join a trouble bridge to figure out why there's a connectivity problem between a host in GCP and a host in AWS. Let's jump into Forward Enterprise and see what the problem is. So let's look at the path between the host in GCP and the host in AWS. And we're going to look specifically on the protocol and port that we're having a problem with. So we see a subway stop view of how the packet is flowing through the network from Google to AWS. And then we see every cloud security construct or cloud construct that the packet is actually going to. And then we hit a firewall that's blocking the traffic. In a traditional troubleshooting scenario, what would happen here is the network guy would get pressured into changing this firewall. Because we're in the cloud and we don't believe what Craig says, where there's never any issues inside of the cloud, we don't know what's going to happen if we change this firewall. Will it work? Will it not work? We don't know. That's a mystery in the cloud. Luckily, in Forward Enterprise, we have a feature called Permit All. So essentially what this does is it takes every security device and it turns it into a permit IP-any. So you can see end-to-end connectivity. And if there was anything blocking it from a firewall standpoint or a cloud security construct standpoint, it would pass it and then we can see the end-to-end connectivity. So if we enable Permit All, and then we go through, we see that if we did change this firewall, that the traffic would make it all the way to the end. But look, our favorite cloud guy was wrong. There is a problem in the cloud. If we would have changed that firewall, it wouldn't have worked. We would have been tripped up by this specific AWS security rule that would have blocked the traffic. See, Craig, there was a problem in the cloud. You don't got to join these trouble bridges anymore thanks to Forward Networks. Want a demo? Head over to forwardnetworks.com/demo.